Hey guys, I'm Kyle, and in today's video I'm going to show you how to cancel LinkedIn free trial premium subscription. So let's get started. So here we are in linkedin.com and we're currently logged in our account. And as you can see right here, I have my premium subscription enabled and this is just free trial. So if you want to know how you can avail or get the premium free trial, you can check out my other video wherein I explain on how you can get it. So from here, to cancel our subscription, you want to click here on see your premium features right here. And from here, you want to click on subscription details right here. So click on that and click on manage subscription. And now from here, you should be able to see your purchases, your transactions here, and so on. So as you can see right here, I paid a total of 0 right here. So this is just for free. And from here, I can now go back right here and just click here on the premium career. This is the premium subscription. So you just want to click on this one, click on that. And then now you would be prompted here. So now you have the cancel free trial option here. So this is what you would need to click on. So click on that. And then from here, we can now cancel our free trial if we keep on clicking here on the continue to cancel right here. So our career benefits will be gone. Instead, we'll just have the basic one right here. So if you really wish to cancel it, click on continue to cancel and click here on continue to cancel. And after that, it would now cancel your free trial premium subscription in LinkedIn. And take note that LinkedIn might ask for your account password. So be ready for that. So that is basically it for this video. I hope this video helped you out. Thank you for watching.